These are the biology MCQs for NEET examination. All these questions are based on the NCERT textbook. The page number of NCERT textbook has been given with every question, the page number from which that question has been framed. The first question is parthenogenesis can occur in. Options are rotifers, B honeybees, C turkey, D all of these. See, the parthenogenesis occurs in all of these animals, rotifers, honeybees, and turkey. Therefore, the correct option is D. Next is external fertilization occurs in majority of options are amphibians, fishes, reptiles, and option D is both A and B. See, the external fertilization occur in majority of amphibians and fishes. Internal fertilization occurs in the reptiles. So therefore, our correct option will be D, both A and B. Next is which of these animals is not hermaphrodite? The options given are earthworm, sponge, leech, and cockroach. Out of these, earthworm, sponge, and leech both are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means the male and female sex organs are present in the same animal. Whereas cockroach is not hermaphrodite, the male and females are different in cockroach. Therefore, the correct option is D. Next question is identify the incorrect statement. We have been given the four statement. First is bamboo plant flowers only once in lifetime. This is correct. Next is Strobilanthus kuthiana, and which is also called Nila Kuranji. It flowers once in 12 years. Absolutely right. Next is in monoecious plants, male and female sex organs are present on same plant body. This is also correct. And the statement D is monoecious condition is also called unisexual or homothallic condition. See, this is little bit tricky. This statement is wrong because monoecious condition is called bisexual and not unisexual. So the correct statement will be monoecious condition is also called bisexual or homothallic condition. Yes, monoecious condition is homothallic condition, but it is not unisexual. Homothallic mean bisexual, right? So next is estrous cycle occurs in. Options are dog, tiger, rat and deer, cow and sheep. And D is all of these. See, estrous cycle occurs in all of these animals. Therefore, the correct option will be D, all of these. Next is conidia are asexual reproductive structures found in. See, conidia are formed in the penicillium. So therefore, correct option will be A. Next is gamules are asexual reproductive structures found in. Options are amoeba, paramecium, sponge, earthworm. The answer is sponge. Gamules are the reproductive structures formed in sponges. Next is bryophyllum has asexual reproductive bodies called as options are runners, bulbs, gamules, and option D is adventitious buds. See, in bryophyllum, adventitious buds are formed at the margins of the leaves. So therefore, the correct option will be D, adventitious buds. Next is binary fission occurs in. Options given are bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, and all of these. The correct option is D. Binary fission occurs in all of these bacteria, amoeba, as well as paramecium. All of these can divide by binary fission. Next is the most common microscopic motile structure found in asexual reproduction in fungi are. The most common motile structures formed in asexual reproduction in fungi are the zoospores. They are not conidia, not birds, not gamules. In fact, all the three are non-motile. Gamules, birds, and conidia. The motile structure is only here in the four option zoospores. So our answer is option A. Next is assertion. Next, there are two assertion and reasoning type question. So we have been given one assertion and second reason, and we will mark it as option A if both assertion and reason are correct, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. We will mark the option B if both assertion and reason are true, or both are correct, but the reason is a not correct explanation of assertion. Next is we will mark the option C if assertion is true but the reason is false. And we will mark it D if assertion A is false and reason is true. Now the question is assertion in the question is water hyacinth is known as terror of Bengal. This assertion is right. Now the reason given has been water hyacinth is an invasive weed which consumes oxygen from water resulting in death of fishes. So this reason is the correct explanation of assertion A. Therefore, its answer will be A. Next assertion and reasoning type question is assertion given is gametic fusion that occurs outside the body of organism is called external fertilization. This is correct. The reason given is offsprings produced by external fertilization are extremely vulnerable to not valuable but vulnerable to predators. The reason are this statement is correct, but this is not the correct explanation of assertion. Therefore, we will mark it as option B. Thank you.